So we just finished Virtual Renew Day. It was amazing. My cousin actually did this balloon arrangement. Designs are us. Definitely go follow her. And I wanted to do an unboxing for Virtual Renew Day. Forgive if you hear cracking and stuff because EJ is over here making all the noise. I wanted to thank all of our partnering sponsors that made this box possible. That is our sponsors, Palmer's and Sunday to Sunday. They were our Awakening sponsors, and our Tranquility sponsors are Cami Cosmetics, Adjoa Beauty, Eden Body Works, Scumbag, Flat Out, Pattern, Hyper, London Grand Co., Women of Color Worldwide, and L Accessories and More, as well as Scent and Fire. They are all a part of this box. So when you got the box, it came in a chocolate box with our thank you on there. Love the hair you wear in conjunction with Natural Partners in Crime. You can actually see, let's start out with our sponsors, with Palmer's. We got 2 full-size products from Palmer's in there. That is the length retention deep conditioner, as well as the oil, the length retention oil. So thank you for that. Next, I want to talk about Sunday to Sunday, who gave us their Edge Flourishing product. Sunday to Sunday. Put these on your edges. And this is for the active woman, so thank you for that. Next, Cami Cosmetics, which is our next sponsor. And I got, I think, like a chocolate EJ. I got a lip gloss from there, and it is the Butterscotch Baby. So it was amazing. Thank you for that. Pattern Beauty, you should have got some mini size conditioners from them, as well as Eden Body Works. Then we have, you're messing up my unboxing. Okay. Now we have Hyper Clear, and this is black owned, so skincare, get your skincare on. Adjoa Beauty, which gave this amazing deep conditioner treatment, as well as these really cute pins. I can't wait to use those. I'm super excited about them. L Accessories and More gave out these really cute melanin stickers, or anything that are like, you know, black girl magic, so we love those. Thank you for that. Scent and Fire, socially distant, and this really smells amazing. So thank you, Scent and Fire, and I'm really ready to get my relaxation on and put this on and get it on and pop it. Women of Color Worldwide is an amazing organization all about getting black women together and sharing our resources and creating a safe space so that, you know, you can do the best with your resources. They're really, really inclined in the technical and fashion industry. So shout out to Women of Color Worldwide. Definitely go follow them. Brittany Hicks, thank you, boo. So she gave me some products to be in there. This is the nail polish, and this is Ada B. But you also could have got the Herbal Glow or the Bold and Beauty. So if you got those products a part of the VRD box, then that's what that is about. Women of Color Worldwide. Definitely go follow them. London Grand Co. Yes, yes, and yes. So London Grand Co. She got her stuff going. And we got plenty of inserts in the box. Thank you so much for supporting Virtual Renew Day, and I hope that you enjoyed, and that if you like the box, you know, let them know that Natural Partners in Crime and Love the Hair You Wear sent you. All right, thank you.